Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Focus channel. In our previous video, we discussed data types in JavaScript and explored the string data type in details. In this video, we will dive into the rest of data types: number, BigInt, Boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. Let's start with number. Number data type represents both integers and floating point numbers. It can store positive and negative numbers, as well as special numeric values like infinity and none or not a number. Okay, let's check the type of these variables and also see the result of the console in the browser console. Here in variable age we stored integer. 25 is integer in JavaScript. Salary is in salary we assign it floating point number. In balance also we assigned negative floating point number, but could be the integer. And in the result variable we stored an infinity number. 10 is not divided by 0, so the result will be infinity. Invalid when we want to, for example, divide a string to a number, so the result will give us an not a number. Let's see on the console console.log age. Okay, let's see the result in the browser console. As you can see, so let me remove other console.log, which is one is here. Okay, 25 is an integer and the salary is a floating point number which will show you 21.5, and the balance will show you minus 10.5, which is a negative number. And let's see the result. The result will give you an infinity number because 10 is not divisible by 0. And let's also check the type of the result. The type of the result is number. And also let's check first the type of invalid. The type of invalid is also a number, but if you want to see the result, and it could be and not a number. As you can see, the result shows that invalid is not a number because we wanted to divide a string on the number, so it is not divisible. The result will be in the second data types, which is BigInt. The BigInt data type is a new addition to JavaScript. It is added in 2020. It allows you to store integer values that are too big to be presented in a normal number. To create BigInt, we append in to the end of the integer or call the BigInt function. Okay, it is a BigInt. As you can see, we changed the number here to BigInt by adding only an int at the end of the number, or we can change the normal number to int into BigInt. Okay, let's see the result in the browser console. As you can see, it is the exact number as we wrote here. If I remove the n, so now let's first check the type of this variable. This variable is BigInt. And if I remove the n from the end of the number, you can see it changed to number. So if we want to change the number to BigInt, we simply add n at the end of the number. And also we can use the BigInt function that can change the number into the BigInt. Okay. as you can see, we have n at the end of this number. Why we use a big int? Because in the JavaScript, if the amount of number exceeds from 15, so it will automatically round the numbers. For example, let's see the x here. As you can see, we have n at the end of x. If I remove this, so it will change 9 to 10. Yeah, here. So that's why we need to use big int. If I remove one of them, so it will be 14. So now we have the exact number of value, x value here in the console. But if I add another 9 at the end of this number, so you will get the rounded number here. If I want to exactly have this number, simply change to big int, and now you can have the exact number in the browser console. The next data type is Boolean. The Boolean data type represents a logical value, either true or false. It is commonly used in conditional statement and logic operation. Okay, let's check the type of the integer, the Boolean. Is admin will show you true and the browser console, which is the value. But if I want to check its value, its type, it will give you Boolean, and also the false is also a Boolean. And the next data type is undefined. In JavaScript, a variable without a value has the value undefined. The type is also undefined. When we define a variable and we did not assign any value to that variable, it is undefined. And the type of this, let's see. Yeah, the value, we did not assign any value, so it will show be undefined. If I check the type of undefined variable, so the type is also undefined. And the next data type is null. The null value represents an international non-value or an empty value. It is often used to indicate that a variable has no value or the value is missing. As you can see, the variable, we defined the variable by the name of person, and here we assigned null value to that variable. It means that there is no value, and the person object or the person variable don't have value. So this is your homework to check the type of this variable. Is it null? Is it string? Or is it something? Or is it object? It is your homework, and let me know in the comment below. The next data type is symbol. The symbol data type is a unique and immutable identifier, primarily used as object property keys. Symbols are useful for creating unique identifiers that won't conflict with other properties in object. To create a new primitive symbol, you write symbol with an optional string as it. Okay, as we said, the symbol is useful for creating unique identifier. Here in this inside the symbol, we pass two ID at the same string. But if we compare these two with each other, and we will give and result false because they are not equal. The symbol create a unique identifier. Let's compare this two ID with each other. Now you will see the result is false because they two is not equal. Although the symbol and symbol is the same, we assigned to this variable ID and another ID, but they are not equal because it is used to creating unique identifiers. Okay, in this video we explored the remaining data types in JavaScript: number, BigInt, Boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. Understanding these data types is crucial for writing efficient and effective code. Remember, JavaScript is a dynamically typed language, so you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of whatever. However, being aware of the different data type and their behavior will help you to write better code and avoid common pitfalls. If you have any question, suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting JavaScript content. Thank you.